In today's video, I will show you how to fix CapCut template not showing on TikTok. Before you get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Basically, it's pretty easy. Just follow this and do not make any mistakes. If you tried all the methods in different ways, you can try to contact the TikTok support team. To do this, we need to click on our account to open our account page. So hit the profile icon in the right bottom corner. Now we are on this page. After that, choose more in the right top corner. Click on these three lines and when just go to settings and privacy right up here. So after that, scroll down to the find report a problem. Click on it and then in the topics area choose the suitable one. Click on videos and sounds. So after that we need to click on video shooting here and then just choose the other. So after that we can see the type. We can click on new and click on need more help right up here. So basically this page will be like cleared because here the other way we want it to fix. So I will just delete this message. So in this page we need to write something like this: hi, I need to fix CapCut templates are showing, help me please. So after that we need to click on submit and so this is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.